Hello, what is up guys, I'm your host Gordon and welcome to finally another one of my Nerf Armory 2.0 room building video. Today is another day for a Nerf Armory building. So today we are gonna deal with a tabletop because apparently the tabletop that I ordered from my editing table is finally here. So I guess we have a lot of things to do today. We have a lot of cleanup, we have a lot of decoration to do. So without further ado, let us get things doing. I mean guys, take a look at this tabletop. It is super long. Let us check out the color a little bit. It is in walnut. I mean, that color is sweet. First, we will have to remove whatever that is on the table right now, which means that I have to take away that printer and then put the computer screen on the computer case as well as the speaker. I mean, that's a lot of work to do over here. Wow, I mean, that's messier than I expected. Man, I just don't really know how am I gonna deal with this right now.
But anyway, let us unpack the tabletop.
Now, take a look at this color, guys. This is so beautiful. So right now, we got ourselves a couple of IKEA legs and some cable management baskets. So let us get this thing installed.
First, we're gonna install the first leg, the second leg, and the third leg. After that, we're going to align the tabletop with the LX drawer. Slowly lift the desktop up on top of the table first and pushing the tabletop a little bit. Slowly pushing the table from the left and the right hand side of the tabletop. Rinse and repeat until the tabletop is fully seated.
Okay, I would call this a success. So let us get everything on the table and see how it looks like. Alright, now these wide drawers over here definitely need to be wrapped because it looks way out of place.
A few hours later.
Now that's more like it. Definitely need to clean these up.
Off the camera, I've installed this additional pull-out keyboard tray for my MIDI keyboard under the tabletop, as well as the cable management basket. And we are finally done. Holy moly, it looks really good.
So yep, our tabletop is finally done. So starting from today, editing this foam blaster video can be so much more comfortable. Seriously guys, all this thing wouldn't be possible without the help from you guys. So far, you guys have been very supportive of this channel. So I will be doing my best to bring out the best content for you guys. So yep, that's all today guys. Like this video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the notification bell button because more videos are coming up really soon. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Adios guys.